What is up, YouTube? So we are doing the rear 1M style conversion on the 135i, as you can see right here. So basically what you're going to want to do is take off the taillights, which is just 3 simple bolts, 1, 2, 3. First, you got to pull that liner back. Where is it? Right here on each side. There's 1 clip for each. Pop it out, pull this back, and you will have access to those 3 bolts for those rear taillights. Then once you get those 3 bolts out, you're going to want to unplug the wires and the plugs from the rear taillights. As you can see, they're right over there. After that, you're going to have a collection of bolts on the rear diffuser. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, 4 right there. The other side just has 2, 1, and 2. And then for the part that most people do not see, or they could likely miss, is back here. There's going to be 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. So here they are right here. 3 hidden bolts. And then there's 1 screw up in here that's also connected to the fender right here, or the rear bumper, I should say, right here. If you don't get that screw out, you're most likely going to break the clip. But it is a hidden clip, so you're definitely going to look for that. It's on both sides. Like I said, 3 bolts and 1 screw. The screw is most likely hidden and you will not see it, so definitely look out for that. Then after that step, it's literally just some clips on here that's connected to the bumper. You just push them off, takes 2 seconds, very easy. Same thing over there. And the rear bumper comes right off. And then you're gonna have the sensors. If you have sensors on yours, just make sure you unplug those, or else you will yank those things out, and you do not want to do that. Then you're going to want to swap the sensors over from your stock bumper to the aftermarket bumper that you ordered, which is mine, is the 1M style rear bumper. These are the clips they gave me to put on the new bumper. This came with the new bumper. They're not even close to fitting or working because the sensors are way too far back. Unless there's something I'm not seeing, but I don't think I did. Or maybe I did miss some things. No, I didn't see anything in here. So, yeah, you're definitely going to want to take your old ones off. I kind of pried mine off, as you can see right here. And then I use Gorilla Glue to glue them on over here. It looks like a little mess, but it's alright. It's getting the job done. And this is what you're going to want to do, because you don't want your sensors falling out while you're washing the car, driving it, or whatever, because it's probably just going to keep beeping and going crazy. But as you can see, I'm letting this piece dry right here. I put the 3M tape around it, glued it on, and I'm going to put it right onto that piece right there. And we should be in motion. All right, now the bumper is on. As you can see, the sensors were an absolute nightmare to swap them from that to this. Sucks that they didn't have the bolts to fit that, but it's all right. We got it on. Looks pretty good so far. Now it's time to just button it up and get that diffuser on. All right, so we got the bumper fully on. It's looking sick so far. As you can see, we had to do some custom modification right over here. We just had to cut it because it wasn't fitting with that exhaust right there. Besides that, we are getting another diffuser, carbon fiber one with the fins coming down. It's gonna look absolutely sick. And yeah, and besides that, fits pretty good. Can't wait to get it dialed in and get that wrap on there. It's gonna look sick though, for sure. But to say the least, the bumper wasn't too bad to put on. It took about 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half with some breaks and stuff like that. It's super hot in Arizona out here, but it's on. Like I said, you definitely can do it yourself for sure, or you can go to a shop, however you guys prefer. I was able to do it, like I said, in about 2 hours or so, and it's all buttoned up and tightened up, sitting on there real nice. So let me know what you guys think in the comments.